My third choice of a resource for new technologies is GoNoodle. I have heard of it, but I've never used it in my classroom. But I really like the videos on here. I don't think I would use it as necessarily with for activities as far as content area. I even though I did find some areas of content on there that could do STEM activities, and since I teach science, that's something I might look into. But for now, my goal is to use it as a brain break. Our class periods are 70 minutes long, and so I feel if they can get a 5 minute break in there at some point in time just to get some energy and get some movement, that would be great. So I'm planning on using GoNoodle to do that. Here is the STEM lab area I was telling you about. So when you click on STEM lab, there's featured these are the featured ones. Here's some activities that they can do with the videos that they have. So I feel this is something I could use in eventually with content area. However, I'm wanting to mainly use it for um, brain breaks and stuff like that, so that way the kids can um, have fun doing that. Thank you.